Welcome to 34 Birchmount Road, a wonderful 3-bedroom detached family home well situated within Toronto's Birch Cliff neighbourhood. Set back from the street, a walkway leads up to an east-facing covered porch that stretches across the front of the home. Through the front entry door is a gorgeous open-concept main level with 3 distinct principal spaces, all showcasing hardwood flooring, deep baseboards, and pot lighting, while east and west-facing windows allow for abundant natural brightness. Built-in cabinetry frames a gas fireplace surrounded with a stacked stone facade that brings cozy warmth to the living room, and this space, as well as the adjacent dining area, have the added finishing elegance of crown moldings. A showpiece of modern elegance, the kitchen features a center island with breakfast seating and pendant lighting, stone counters, contemporary cabinetry with extended uppers and valance lighting, as well as a stainless steel backsplash, an undermount sink with apron, and appliances including an oven with glass cooktop, dishwasher, and fridge with bottom mount freezer. Extending the entertaining to the outdoors during the summer months, off the dining area is a wood deck that steps down to a deep backyard with a patio area, a storage shed, and which is shaded by mature trees. The staircase to the upper level has dark hardwood treads and railing with the classic accent of white risers and spindles, while wainscoting adds a beautiful finishing touch along its walls. The wainscoting is continued along the upper hallway, and this level features hardwood flooring throughout, as well as California shutters on all the bedroom windows. The second and third bedrooms are quite spacious and naturally bright, and both have ample closet storage. There is a linen closet right outside the main washroom, which features tiled finishes throughout, a glass shower area with pebblestone floor, as well as a modern vanity with an integrated glass counter and basin, and a coordinating mirror with display ledge. And completing this level is the master bedroom, which overlooks the backyard and has a ceiling fan with remote, as well as a mirrored door double closet. The lower level has its own separate side door entrance, and off its tiled landing is a combined laundry and storage room, and there is more storage under the staircase and with a spacious mirrored door double closet. In addition, this level features a brightly lit and carpeted recreation area, as well as a 3-piece washroom with a glass shower, and this home also includes a private parking pad at the rear that is fenced on 3 sides to separate it from the backyard, but has gated access to it for convenience. Walking distance to Birch Cliff Public School, parks, and recreational facilities. Also close at hand are Kingston Road and Danforth Avenue shopping and entertainment, the Rosetta McLean Gardens, access to waterfront trails, and the Toronto Hunt Golf Club, while the Danforth GO and Main Street subway stations, as well as access to the DVP and the Gardner Expressway, are just short drives away.